Hi, I'm Katelyn Lee, and I'm running to be your Vice President at Independence Class of 2024. I would love for you guys to vote for me this Sunday because I honestly want to be part of something that will allow myself to better help the school and our class. My goal at the end isn't to just socialize and meet new people though. I want to run for Vice President as I believe that I can make this time to get everyone involved and try to make the best out of this time right now. I want to get to know you guys so I know what I should be doing and how I can try to encourage people to look at things a little more positively than it really seems. A few ideas I had in mind are some online activities that everyone can partake in. I would also love to do some fundraisers and projects that we can do from home. Examples for some cool ways you can make a difference are by writing letters for the elderly, a recycling drive, or making some homemade care packages. We can even do some contests for some fun prizes. I would love to get as many of you guys to be involved as we're all in this together. After all, we are going to be together for the next 4 years, so I want to make the best of it. We're a community, and I want to make this community feel like a family. Everything that goes on around this school would be for the benefit of us. When I say us, I'm talking about every single person in this class. So yeah. Thank you for listening to what I have to say, and I hope that I am suited to be the position of your Vice President. Bye!